Who's ready to go back to school? Hey you guys, so today I thought it would be really fun if we went to Target and I show you guys all the makeup products that I think you guys should include in your back to school makeup kit. You don't want to bring too much, but you also don't want to not bring certain products, you know what I mean? So I'm here to help. BTW, if you guys have never seen this face before, hey you guys, my name is Hana Belle and I love to create come shopping with me videos where I bring you guys along with me to my favorite beauty and fashion related stores. I also love to try out new makeup, both drugstore and high-end, so if all of this is your jam, I hope you guys join the family. Press the subscribe button down below and tap that bell so you get notified every time I upload a video. Alright guys, without any further ado, let's get on with the video. Alright you guys, we made it to Target. Let's go inside. How fitting for this video. Alright you guys, we're here. We're at the beauty section. I got my list. I'm ready. So let's first start with the brows because I think they're super important. So I recommend having a brow pencil at hand because you never know when you have to fill it in. And I've heard nothing but good things about the NYX brow pencil. I also recommend the CoverGirl Easy Breezy Brow Microfine and Define Pencil. I personally use the one in soft brown, this one. Possibly during gym class you might swipe your face and you're like, oh no. Well, that's when the brow pencil comes in handy. And of course, to set your brows or whenever your brow hairs get out of hand, I would recommend some brow gel. So e.l.f. has this amazing Beautifully Bare Sheer Tint Brow Gel. I personally use the brow gel from Milani, but I don't see it at the moment. But if you guys see it, definitely check that one out too. I also love Maybelline's brow gel. It's called the Sculpted Brow Tinted Gel Mousse and Ball Brush. And just like the e.l.f.'s brow gel, this one is also tinted, so you might not even need the pencils, but I know for me, I do need the pencils. Because again, you never know when you accidentally wipe your brows away during lunch period, at gym, during recess, wherever, whenever. You just want to be prepared. The next thing that you should include in your back to school makeup kit is mascara. I'm personally obsessed with two mascaras at the moment, so let me show you. So lately, I've been loving the Last Sensational Full Fan Effect Mascara from Maybelline. And of course, you have to get the waterproof because I feel like that gives you the best curl in your lashes. I also really like, can you guess? The Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara from L'Oreal. You guys know that is my holy grail, so of course, you definitely need this item in your back to school makeup kit. So speaking about eyes, I feel like everyone needs a good black gel eyeliner. I know a lot of these black gel eyeliners say that they're waterproof, but y'all, you are at school for well over 5 hours. Yeah, that's gonna wear off, so that's why I recommend a black gel eyeliner. I personally recommend Pixie by Petra's eyeliner. I use it every day, and it's the Endless Silky Eye Pen in the shade Black Noir. Trust me when I say you'll need it. So as I previously mentioned, you're at school majority of the day, well over 5 hours. So I definitely recommend getting a setting spray and translucent powder. Places start getting oily, people. I would know. So I was gonna recommend CoverGirl's setting spray. I've personally used it, but I don't see it at the moment. So I would recommend the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Matte Finish Setting Spray. I love that this is super small and compact because it's easy to carry or have in your locker, whichever it may be. Another good one that I've heard about is the NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray. Now for the translucent powder, you guys, I recommend the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. They have multiple shades. Sorry about the weird lighting. And NYX also has their own HD finishing powder, which is also something you can use. So another thing that I think is essential for your back to school makeup kit is a powder brush, obviously to apply the translucent powder with. And yes, I actually own this brush. I use it all the time. I love it. Now let's talk about your lips for your back to school makeup kit. So obviously you can wear any of these amazing lip glosses from CoverGirl, but for me, honestly, I wore lip balms throughout school. I just wanted my lips to be moisturized with a little tint. So one of my favorite lip balms I like to use is the Revlon Kiss Balm, and I actually have this one in the flavor Berry. So just FYI, these will give you a little bit of a color, but not too much. Now if you want to add some color to your lips, I also recommend the Revlon lip crayons. You guys, look at these pretty shades. If you guys are curious on what I brought to moisturize my lips, it was good old Vaseline. Last but not least, I think something that is essential for your back to school makeup kit is cotton swabs or Q-tips, however you want to call them. This has helped me so many times with any fallout for my mascara, eyeshadow, etc. It's a good quick fix. Now honestly you guys, I didn't carry concealer with me during school, so I didn't want to recommend it. But if you guys want to have some concealer, just touch up, you know, anything that happens throughout the school day, I would recommend the CoverGirl Vitalist Healthy Concealer. And you guys for sure know the rave about the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer as well. Let's disregard my hair flying in the wind. Alright guys, well that includes the video for today. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys enjoyed my back to school makeup kit recommendations at Target. Let me know, should I do a TJMAXX version? Let me know. Well, I love you guys so much and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!